Hey, just about 8:15. Welcome back. Another story this morning highlighting the work of Northwest Credible Messenger, a Federal Way-based organization focused on supporting youth and young adults through mentorship, behavioral health, and community-centered programs. And joining us now is Back to Besa host Besa Gordon, who's spotlighting a collaboration between the Credible Messenger and Seattle's first dry cleaners for kicks, ReSole 2006. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Well, let's talk about what you're doing. Every week we've got something here. You are spotlighting a really impactful workshop at ReSole 206. What's happening in that space?
So it was actually really dope. So Northwest Credible Messenger actually brought together some of their youth and young adults. Some of them are actually out of high school that they previously worked with for a creative workshop over at the ReSole 206. Now, we can definitely talk a little bit more about this and the importance of this workshop, but I want for you guys to see it for yourself. So let's get into this clip.
Here at the ReSole 206, Seattle's first sneaker dry cleaner, for a custom sneaker workshop. So this is the state-of-the-art facility specializing in sneaker care. We specialize in cleaning, restoration, and customizing, and we also host events and workshops catered to people who are interested in learning the craft. So today we have Northwest Credible Messenger youth in our shop today learning about the beauty of sneaker customizing, and I'm so happy to be able to share my expertise with the next generation.
Today is a wellness workshop mixed with some creativity. We did some direct services over the past years. So we're bringing some of the participants that we worked with in the past together to kind of celebrate and make custom sneakers and express themselves at a wellness workshop today at ReSole in Seattle. They get a space curated and crafted towards them, right? So they can feel seen, heard, right, and at the same time, leave with something.
I feel like it has a great impact because some kids, they don't have, let's say they don't have mom or dad, or they don't have friends. It gives them just time to just take their minds off things like that and just like live in the moment. They're a great program. I feel like they took me very far in life because without them, there would be like some things that I still needed to get done. Like they helped me with so much things. They helped me with like driver's ed. They helped me with like school, helped me with food, clothes, like all around. Like without them, I probably wouldn't even be doing like as good as I am today. So I really want to say thank you to them.
Well, that is pretty cool. This workshop went beyond sneaker customization and focused on wellness. And Besa, why is it so important to have creativity involved in this? And that was a cool clip at the end. It was on fire there.
No, that's right. I think it's very important, at least even for me personally. You can have a bad day and you go do some painting, you can do some arts and crafts, and it just really kind of relaxes and recenters you and allows you to kind of get those creative juices flowing. And in this particular case, I mean, they were painting sneakers, Air Force Ones, things that they would naturally wear, but in this case, they're able to get creative and be like, yes, I did this myself.
And I love that. So what really sets Northwest Credible Messenger apart, and what else should people know about the work they're trying to do and engage people?
Well, what's great about them is that they're not just working with youth, they're also doing things for us adults too, because we still sometimes need a little bit of help.
Yes, we do.
You guys might remember when we talked about their barbershop and beauty shop behavioral health program, where they're helping other people. Whenever you come in, you can talk to your barber, you can talk to your hairstylist, and maybe you're going through something in life that's personal mentally, or maybe you even need some resources for like rent. They're helping everyone, not just the kids. It's kind of like an all-around thing, and I just love what they're doing for our community. We really need more of that.
Yeah, the key takeaway here is I'm hearing listening, and that's so important. So many people forget to listen, right?
They are making sure that we're being heard, we're feeling seen, and then also really just getting out of our head. And for our youth, they could be doing anything. Instead, they were decorating shoes.
I love that. I think the patience in a steady hand, though, I might get I could go for a little bit and then I'd just make a wild design and call it my own, right?
That would be me too.
Besa, thanks. And don't forget, Besa airs, Back to Besa airs 3 times Saturday at 10:30 p.m. on Fox Seattle, and Sunday at 10 a.m. on Fox 13+, and again Sunday at 8 p.m. on Fox 13+. All right, let's toss it over to Abby.